Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at a JavaScript interview question, which is majorly reversing a string. So how to reverse a string? They ask you to reverse a string, given apple. You're supposed to reverse it to this, which will return it from right to left instead of from left to right. So so how do you do this? There are two major ways you can do this. First of all, let's look at the long one. First of all, let's create the function and let's call it reverse string. We'll pass in a string. So after that, want to create a variable that will hold the reverse string. Let's reverse equals to empty string, and then we want to use a for of loop. So say for let char character of string. So for every character of string, we want to concatenate it back into the reverse string. So have reverse to be equals to reverse character instead of reverse plus character, which will to be character plus reverse. So that way we are reversing it. Character plus reverse. So given that, then we want to return reverse. So this is one method. And if we call the function is console log reverse string apron, let's run code. You can see we have the string, the reversed string here. So this is one method, but this is a long method. There's another method which is far much more easier, and that is using JavaScript predefined function. So in that case, let's take a look at it. Function reverse string 2. Say let reverse be equals to empty string. No. Okay. Now what we are just going to do, we are not going to declare a variable. I've forgotten. We are returning it straight. Return str dot. We're going to split it, make it into an array first of all by splitting it by the space, and then we're going to reverse the array, reverse and join it back. Join. So what we are doing here is we split it into an array of characters, and then reverse the array, and then join it back, which will give us the reversed string. So when you console dot log reverse string 2 here, let's run it. Oh, we have an error. Console dot log reference reverse string is not defined. Okay, it should be 2. So you can see we have the reversed string. So this is basically it. Let's split this. Let's take a look at what is happening inside of this. We're going to console log it one after the other. Console log str dot split. Let's check what that will return. do this, you can see it turned it into an array. This string is turned it into an array. And then when we now reverse it, let's look at what the dot reverse does. Reverse. You can see, and then join. You can see we have it here, but it's still joining. Why is it? It's not supposed to. There's comma here. And why is that? Okay, that's because we didn't put the what we wanted to join by there. So this column will tell it individually should pick it. Let's see. You can see now. So that has brought us to the end of today's tutorial. So see you next time. Hope now you've been able to reverse a string. So we're going to look at palindrome next, how to solve the palindrome problem. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye.